Hello everyone, so today I wanted to show you an unboxing of my new Boxy charm. I haven't opened it yet just because I was just going to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and unbox my Boxy charm right here. When they were delivering this package, they kind of messed up the box. I guess it got smushed or something. So let's get started and open the box. Right now I'm just sitting a bit farther so I can show you guys this Boxy charm. Okay, so this is what came in here. Somehow this managed to become folded. The first thing, it's the palette. It's called Vise Art Palette. The packaging is pretty like simple to me. It feels pretty compact, very nice. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. This right here. I don't know how the swatches of this might be. Let me come a little closer to you guys so you can see. I'm not sure how the swatches might be, but they look pigmented. Let's start with the swatches of these. I'm gonna start with this color and this color. Wow. That's pretty good. And I'm gonna just do this one. Ooh, whoa! Did you see that? It's pretty good. It's a very nice pigmentation. I'm gonna go over and wipe my hand because you need to wipe your fingers before you start touching another product. This is where I left off. Let's go with this one and this one and this one. Right here. Wow. I am super amazed. The pigmentation, A1. Very nice. And guys, I am wiping my fingers every time I touch these. Using these two colors under that. Wow. Very nice pigmentation. This is how it looks like on my fingers, guys. Super pigmented. Now I'm gonna just do it right here because I don't have any more space in my hands. Whoa! Look at this. Wow, look at that blue. I really love that. That's super pretty. I can't get over how good these are. I am definitely so into this already. This was a nice one. So you guys, the next thing that came in this Boxy charm, you guys, is this really nice glow recipe. It's a moisturizing cream. It's supposed to be banana. So let's see, it says banana souffle. Ooh, this is pretty nice. You guys, this seems like it will do my skin wonders. I think the cap is on the tippy top right here. I missed it, but I think I'm definitely gonna make this a part of my new skincare routine. Let's take some of this product. Oh, now the cap wants to get on. I'm actually gonna put some of this product on my hand so I can test it out. This is how the product looks on my hand, on the back of my hand. My hand is washed, so I did not apply any lotion or cream on my hand afterwards. So let's just massage this in our hand. Ooh, this is super soft and moisturizing. I like the consistency. It's very smooth. It's making my hand feel very, like, not greasy, but very moisturized. I like that. It's very nice. So you guys, the next thing that I got on the package was a whole set of brushes. There are 5 brushes in here. As you can see, they are probably the most typical brushes that you might need as you're doing your makeup as a beginner. I really like them. This is how they look. The brand is called Crown. I'm gonna take a brush out and show you. I like the brush. It looks pretty elegant. I like the standard white. It looks really pretty. And they feel like brushes that I can really use every day. The only thing that I don't like about these brushes is that they do not state what kind of brush they are. So like this one is a blending brush, but on the brush it does not physically state that it is a blending brush. It doesn't say anything. It just says Crown, just says the name of their brand, and here's the brush. At the same time, I think that these brushes would probably be pretty good quality. The way that it's, you know, shaped and everything, I can tell that it is a very good quality brush. I can't wait to try this out and just see how my makeup might turn out with it. the final thing that they sent me was a lip butter or a lip mask. This is the Apple Balm Glow Lip Mask. Let's open this up. This is cruelty free. That's why I love these so much. This is how it looks, you guys. I don't like the twisty part because sometimes when I am traveling, I sometimes lose the tip or the top of the product. I hate twisty caps even on like toothpaste because I always end up losing the top, and I just hate the fact that I have to always screw it back on. And if I'm on a bumpy road or if I'm on a plane and there's like some kind of turbulence, I have the risk of losing the top of my product. So that's one thing that I don't like about twisty tops. That's one thing I just don't like about it. But other than that, this is a very pretty and very nicely packaged lip mask. I'm so gonna try this out, but for now, to show you the consistency, I'm going to apply some on to the back of my hand. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's literally dripping. Wow. Imagine this on my lips. Like, it will make my lips super juicy and nice. It smells super good. It smells like a fresh, like, apple blossom. It smells so good. It smells super good. It smells like an apple orchard. Alright, you all, so that was all the product that I got in this Boxy charm for March. So if you guys did like this video, please do leave a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family like always. If you want to see more videos soon, then please do subscribe to my channel. And like always, take care of yourselves. Be safe. Goodbye.